My dear friends, by the end of this video, you will have a complete understanding of KB, MB, GB, and TB. Please stay with me and make sure you don't miss it. KB stands for Kilobyte 1024 bytes, which is roughly equivalent to a short email. MB stands for Megabyte 1024 KB, which equals a high-quality photo or a 3-minute song. GB stands for Gigabyte 1024 MB. It can hold an HD movie or approximately 250 songs. Finally, TB stands for Terabyte 1024 GB, which is enough for roughly 250,000 pictures or 500 hours of movie. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much.